Hello, fourth graders. Today we're going to review the 5 is half of 10 strategy with the problem 5 times 16. So for this, we're going to kind of think of 5 times 16, and first we're going to solve the problem 10 times 16. Solving that problem first is going to help us get to our answer of 5 times 16. Now, this method, the 5 is half of 10 strategy, is best used with a ratio table, which we're all familiar with. So let's review. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw our ratio table. Okay, and we're going to start with our 10 times 16 equation. Okay, so if we have 10, we multiply it by 16, that is 160. We like this one, we like this problem because 10 has a 0 in it. We could quickly use our zeros trick by pretending that 0 is not there. 1 times 16 is 16, and placing that 0 back on the end. So we have 10 times 16 is 160. Now we can go back to our original problem of 5 times 16 because we know that 10 divided by 2 10 divided by 2 is 5. And I'm going to do that same thing over on my other side. Whatever I did to 10, I want to do to 160. Since I divided 10 by 2, I'm going to divide 160 by 2, or cut it in half. Okay? And 160 divided by 2 is 80. This is another nice one because kind of like with our 10 and multiplying, we can do the same thing when dividing. In 160, I can pretend that my 0 is not there. And I know 16 divided by 2 is 8. And then I just place that 0 back next to the 8 to get 80. So we can use the 5 is half of 10 strategy for the problem 5 times 16 by first doing 10 times 16, which is 160, and dividing my 10 by 2 to get my 5, and dividing my 160 by 2 to get my 80. So we know now that 5 times 16 equals 80. On the next slide, I'm going to have you try one on your own. For this one, you can record yourself doing this or take a selfie of the work that you did, just like this one, and post it on this slide. Good luck. Have fun.